Huh? You mean my name?
Yes.
Isaac Ogana.
Your full name.
Let me just tell you now. Take it one year. Isaac Ogana.
Don't you have a surname?
Let me just. Okay, see, like this now, no let me dey. You understand? I never born pikin. No let me dey like this now. Even if I want born pikin, it go be girl. Do you understand me? You understand me? You go be girl because I don't need headache. I don't want all these ones when they come they give me headache. So I go first get pikin, wey be girl. You understand? You know say all those girls they fresh. They fresh well. So no let me dey for now. I need the thing. So the matter be.
Mr. Man, what I mean that I'm not asking you about your son's name. I mean your father's name. Don't you have a father's name?
Oh, hi. Voila. See, my brother, no blame me. See that name tire me. See that my papa name, it tire me. Me self no fit pronounce am. That make I just carry am gently. Carry am through way. I keep am once I lose get that name. Make it first day. So now, don't let me na day. So my name na Isaac Okulo Kalesia 1. Do you get? Ezigbo OG n'ime ogbe. abeligwegwu.com. Ọkọ senke.
If I may ask you, what can you do in this office?
Hey, na call him off now. For 10 minutes I come meet for whiskey junior. Okay, you mean what I feel do? You mean what I feel do? And on the street today, now I feel do anything. I feel not get anything. Now you understand? I feel do anything, but normally, my profession, like killing. You understand? I feel kill rats. I feel kill lizard. I feel kill anything. You know, say, see, this is your shop fine, well. So you know, good make rats come they disturb your customers. So if you carry me come here, everywhere will deal well. Believe me, give me this work, my job opportunity. I go do you well.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah.
You say you're looking for work.
Yes, now.
Can you just look from your hair to down? Look at how you just dress. Like all this arboro, all this whatever something. And you say you're looking for work.
Open your own market.
When you're coming to this place, the signboard outside, don't you see what we wrote there?
I see what you write now. Stylist needed. With your number where they stylist. No be you I call for phone.